Hey, do you know that new girl in school? What's her name?
Oh, is she Ling Ling?
Oh yeah, Ling Ling. I don't like her. I should write hate tweet about her.
24 hours later.
Hey! Finally. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Hi guys, how are you doing? Is everything alright? Yeah. Oh, I think we have to go to math class.
Yeah.
Much later.
Oh, hi. Hi, how have you been? Really, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember me?
I do.
Yes, I'm Ling Ling. Do you remember me, really?
I do remember you.
Okay,
Ling.
so today you're here for...
Yeah. I'm giving you the portfolio update to enroll
Okay.
into your marketing department.
Oh, you want to work for our marketing department?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds interesting. By the way, I have one question for you. Is this tweet written by you?
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. 10 years ago, 2019, October 3rd, you said, "Oh my god, that new girl Ling Ling is so annoying. She always takes my food and bubble tea. Even though she's pretty, she keeps saying she's ugly. Stay away from her, people. She might give you cancer." I didn't give anyone cancer, Kaylee. Sorry, but I don't think you fit to our company.
No, it's just like a mistake I made in the past. I'm a better person now.
But our company personality does matter, so I'm sorry. Bye.